Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're covering an essential topic for hemp businesses in Tennessee: hemp product quality standards. The recent permanent rules in Tennessee have introduced comprehensive quality standards that all hemp-derived cannabinoid products must meet, particularly focusing on food and edible products. In this discussion, we'll dive into the standards of manufacturing and quality control of hemp edibles, expiration dates and labeling requirements, testing and documentation, as well as best practices for meeting compliance. Let's start with the standards around hemp edibles and food products. Under Tennessee's new permanent rules, any product intended for human consumption, including edibles, must meet strict manufacturing standards and labeling requirements to ensure consumer safety. Manufacturing standards: all hemp edibles must be manufactured following food safety standards similar to those for other food products. This includes adhering to good manufacturing practices, which ensure cleanliness, accurate labeling, and ingredient safety. This also includes following all the Tennessee Department of Agriculture's regulations around food kitchens and processing, including cleanliness standards. It's essential to work with licensed processors who understand hemp infusion into edibles and are familiar with the required standards for food-grade production. The permanent rules require a complete list of ingredients shown in descending order by weight, so consumers are fully aware of what they're consuming. Clear labeling of potential allergens, like nuts, dairy, and gluten, is also required, with allergens listed prominently on the packaging. This transparency is crucial for consumer safety and for maintaining compliance. Expiration dates are now a mandatory aspect of product quality under Tennessee's rules, helping guarantee that products remain potency and safety over time. Here's how to manage expiration dates effectively. Set up your expiration dates. All hemp products must include an expiration or best by date on their packaging. This requires stability testing to determine how long the product remains potent and quality under the standard storage conditions. For example, tinctures and oils generally have longer shelf lives compared to edibles, which degrade faster. Stability testing is conducted over a period of time to measure how cannabinoids degrade under various conditions. It also helps verify the product doesn't become contaminated or spoil. Work with labs that can accelerate stability testing, where products are exposed to heat, light, and moisture to simulate aging and predict expiration timelines. As much labeling and manufacturing requirements are crucial, testing is the cornerstone of quality assurance in hemp products, especially with Tennessee's total THC compliance standard. Full panel testing. Tennessee's permanent rules require full panel testing for all HTC products. This means every batch of product must be tested for cannabinoid content, as well as contaminants like pesticides, heavy metals, molds, and microbials. It's essential to partner with licensed third-party labs that provide complete COAs covering each contaminant and potency standard. Not having up-to-date COAs for every batch can lead to penalties, product seizures, or recalls. COAs are mandatory for every product batch and must be made available to consumers, typically through a QR code on packaging that leads directly to the lab results. COAs should verify the THC levels are below 0.3 and the product meets all safety standards. Tennessee's random inspections make it crucial for businesses to have easy access to all their COAs, as these documents prove compliance with state-mandated quality standards. Regularly test these products, even after initial COAs, especially if ingredients change or if issues are detected. Testing each batch ensures that no products with altered cannabinoid levels or unexpected contaminants reach a consumer. In addition to quality testing, Tennessee's permanent rules include specific packaging requirements designed to protect consumers, especially minors. All hemp products intended for consumption must be in child-resistant packaging that meets Federal Consumer Product Safety Commission standards. This is particularly important for edibles and tinctures that may look appealing to children. Products like gummies, oils, or any visually appealing edible should have an additional layer of child resistance to prevent accidental ingestion by minors. Packaging must include labels with clear, non-misleading information about the product's content, including THC levels, expiration dates, and usage instructions. All labels must feature a QR code linking to COAs to offer consumers full transparency on testing results. Labeling should also include the phrase "warning" in capitals and bold, "keep out of reach of children, must be 21 or older to possess or consume, may be harmful to those who are pregnant or breastfeeding, may impair ability to drive or operate machinery, may contain unidentified substances that are harmful or toxic. This product is not approved by the FDA for cure, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of any disease." This is essential for legal protection and regulatory compliance. Quality control is a continuous process, and Tennessee hemp businesses should adopt best practices to maintain compliance and avoid disruptions in distribution. So establish a quality assurance program. Set up a program responsible for monitoring products through each stage of production and distribution. The program should verify that every batch meets Tennessee's quality standards before it reaches retailers or consumers. Implement regular quality audits to identify potential issues early. Audits can help improve manufacturing processes and reduce the risk of non-compliant products. So you should always verify your supplier ingredients as well. Conduct due diligence on all suppliers to ensure that ingredients meet quality standards before they enter the production line. Consider requiring your suppliers to provide COAs of raw materials, especially when dealing with edible ingredients. Monitor your supplier's compliance with the same standards you follow to minimize the risk of quality issues or contamination from outside sources. Conduct internal tests, random sampling of products to verify that they match the COAs provided by your third-party lab. This additional layer of testing helps catch any inconsistencies that might have been missed. Document every test, COA, and quality check in detail. Tennessee's regulatory authorities can conduct random inspections, so maintaining clear, accessible records for every batch and product is crucial for demonstrating compliance. To summarize, Tennessee's permanent hemp rules place significant emphasis on product quality standards, especially for consumables like edibles. By adhering to strict manufacturing, labeling, testing, and quality control requirements, your business can meet regulatory standards, protect consumers, and build trust with both regulators and customers. If you have any questions about meeting these quality standards or would like assistance developing a compliance strategy, reach out to us here at the Hemp Law Group. Our expert team is here to help you navigate the complexities of Tennessee's hemp regulations and ensure your products meet that requirement. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, quality compliance is more than a requirement, it's an investment in your business's success.